Good morning, students. Welcome to RDPS online classes. Students, today we are going to learn about determiners. That is chapter number 7, determiners. So let's start with an introduction. Determiners are the words used before nouns or before adjectives followed by nouns. As I know the man in the red shirt. This is a sentence where you can see there are two determiners. One is the man, in which the is determiner, and the red shirt, again the is also a determiner. Now what determiners tells us? It tells us which, how much and how many, etc. In other words, we can say that they tell us something about the nouns before which they are placed. Like here we can see 4 types of determiners. There are 4 kinds of determiners. First is articles, second is demonstrative determiners, third is possessive determiners, and fourth is some other determiners. Okay, so first is a and the. What does it mean? Articles. And the second determiner, that is demonstrative determiners. What these words comes? This, these, that, those. Possessive determiners. Here possessives are my, our, your, his, her, its, their. Then there are some other types of other determiners also, like some, any, much, many, many, each, every, few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little, either, neither, all, whole, less, fewer, etc. First, today we are going to learn about articles. The definite articles. There are 2 types of articles. First is definite, another is indefinite. Yes, the definite article is, what does it comes? The. So the is called as a definite articles, and a and an are called indefinite articles. Like here you can see the example. The girl you met is my sister. So here the is the definite article we are using here. But my is possessive. My is possessive. Okay, here is a letter for you. Here is a letter for you. Eat an apple a day. So here a is article, which is all comes in determiners. Here an is also article, which is also a determiner. Okay. What does indefinite article called? The article a or an is used before a singular countable noun such as table, chair, egg, eagle, etc. The article a is used before a word, adjective followed by noun with a consonant sound. Like I saw a movie. Here ma means m sound is coming, ma sound is coming. That's why we are using a. Okay, and here what happens? Ruskin Bond is a good writer. Here g sound is coming, that's why we are using a. Okay, and here you can see is some other use of a as well, a as well, where we use a to denote quantity or number. A number of girls. Here we are showing the quantity. A lot of work, a couple of logs, a dozen mangoes, 100 coins, a few trees. Then To express frequency also we use a. Eat it only once a week. Here in some exclamatory expressions as well we use a. What a pity. What an amazing dancer. What an amazing dancer. The article an is used before a word, noun, adjective followed by noun with a vowel sound. Like I saw an owl. Here owl sound, a sound is coming, that's why an is there. He bought an egg. A sound is coming, that's why we are using an before egg. Okay. She is an honest lady. A sound is coming, that's why we are using an. He is an MP. A sound is coming, that's why we are using an. This is the initial sound of the word which tells us whether to use a or an and not the spelling. So here we are using a or an according to the sound, not according to the spellings. So this was today's lecture. I hope you have to learn this, you have to understand this, and you have to remember few things like the indefinite article a or an is not generally used before uncountable nouns such as air, water, milk, salt, rice, beauty, tea, etc. in certain cases, which the meaning of such an uncountable noun is different. Like a or an can be used as give me a tea. A tea means a cup of tea. Here the indefinite article a or an is used when we first mention a person or an object as this is a gift for you. The gift is not expenses, however. Okay, so here we used it. The definite article means the. The is used in before many things, like before names of important books, like the Gita, the Bible, not only the important books but buildings and newspapers, rivers, seas, oceans, islands, hills, mountains, etc. Even like the Himalaya, the Ganga, the Indian Ocean, the Tribune, the Taj Mahal, etc. Okay. It also refers to a particular person, place or thing. Like I gave him the book he needed. Here the specific we are talking about. We are talking about a specific book. Like before the singular noun standing for a class or species. There also we use the. Like the cow is a sacred animal. Here we are talking about the cow. It can be any cow, but the we are using because of we are talking about species. Okay. Before unique things we use the. Like the moon is not a planet. Like moon is only one. That's why we are using the. Before the names of races. The English once ruled the world. Here the English is, we are talking about races, not about English but about English people. Before the superlative degrees of adjectives, he is the best boy in our class. The best boy. Here with the superlative degree, best is the superlative degree, that's why we are using the. Before adjectives used as noun to refer to the whole class. Okay, like the young have confidence and strength. Here we are using it about the whole young people we are talking about. That's why we are using the over here. Okay, like this. Before the names of families also we use the. The nobles had to return to Sweden. Here the nobles. Here we are talking about families. Okay. Before comparative degrees or adjectives to put emphasis on quality or section, like the higher you go, the cooler it is. Here we are talking about comparative degrees like higher. Okay, that's why we are using the before higher. And cooler is also the comparative degree of cool. That's why the we are using before the proper noun when it is used as the common noun. Like he is the Shylock of our time. Here we are using a proper noun or used as a common noun. In a proper noun we are using it as a common noun. That's why we are using the over here. Before the trades and the professions following, proper nouns like Alfred Nobel, the scientist, made many inventions. Here we are using scientist in before of scientist the because we are talking about profession. We are not talking about any particular. Okay, that's why we are using the. Before the name of musical instruments like the harmonium. Okay, that's why. The is not used for. Here some are there where we are not going to use the. Like before proper noun. Ravindra is my friend. So here we are not using before proper noun. Before abstract noun used a general sense, there also we are not using. Love is God. Okay. Then before material nouns used in general sense like we want rice. Before the names of the languages like Hindi is our national language. Here we are not using the. Before the places of assembly visited for their specific purposes. You go to school at 9 to study. So here also we are not using the for the. We are not using because of the specific purpose we are talking about. So this was today's lecture. I hope you understood very well determiners. Be home, be safe. Thank you.
Thank you.